In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your lower outer ball joint on your Mini Cooper. It's located behind your front wheel. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to remove our wheel. Let's remove our wheel. Using an 18mm socket, we're going to remove our nut for our ball joint. Now we're going to use a 13mm socket, and we're going to remove these two bolts holding the ball joint to the knuckle. Leave that one slightly in so you can get this other one out. Remove those bolts. Our ball joint was stuck in the knuckle due to age or rust. It shouldn't be stuck, but I had to use an air chisel. If yours is stuck, use an air chisel and press down on the flange of the ball joint, and that'll help free it up. Now that I have a space there, I'm going to use a giant pry bar, and we're going to pry it out the rest of the way. Again, it's not pressed in there, it's just age that's causing this to be stuck. So you shouldn't have this much of a problem. There we go. Now you can push down on your control arm and remove your ball joint. Now you want to clean out this area for the new ball joint. Make sure the surface is rust-free. It doesn't have any burrs on it. And then your new one will go in nicely. Now we're going to put our ball joint in our knuckle and bolt it down. Now we're going to get our bolt started in our ball joint flange. I'm going to walk it in back and forth so that it goes in straight. So you're going to walk it back and forth until it's flush. And now we're going to torque those. Once you get those snugged up, you're going to torque them to 43 foot-pounds. Do the same with the other one. Now we're going to put our ball joint into our lower control arm. You're going to aim it in and push it on and get your nut started. Let's get our nut started and tighten it down and torque it. And now we're going to snug this one up and torque it to 40 foot-pounds. Make sure your vehicle is at ride height before torquing. Now you can lower down your pole jack. Put our wheel on. Make sure you line it up. Once you're lined up, you can get one of your lug nut studs started. You are going to have to keep a hand on it. And continue the way around. Let's tighten it up. We're going to do it in a crisscross manner. Walk the wheel up. Make sure it's flush We're going to torque our wheels to 95 foot-pounds. I'm using a 17mm socket. We're going to do this in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.